In this video we will be replacing the battery from Jessy, the interactive talking action figure. The only tool that we would need is a small Phillips head screwdriver. We will also need 2 AAA batteries. First step is to remove the electronics module from the figure. Do not untie the string since it is very hard to put it back. Leave the string and the pull ring as is. Once the electronics module is exposed, loosen the screw using the Phillips head screwdriver and remove the lower cover. There are 2 AAA batteries inside. You can find inscriptions inside showing the battery type and the orientation of the battery. Next, put in fresh batteries. Remember to put them in the correct orientation. Put the lower cover back and tighten the screw. Next, put the electronics module back into the figure. Next, fix the apparel and check to see that your Jessy is back on.
The page is all set.
Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.